everyone and welcome back. We've all got a Fire Stick, but here's the question. Are you really getting the most out of it? The Amazon App Store has thousands of apps, but only a handful are truly essential. So today I'm breaking down my top 3 must-have apps for September 2025. Now these aren't random picks, these are the apps that unlock the full power of your device. So let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 3 is Plex. Now most people think Plex is just for running your own media server, but on Firestick the real value is the huge library of free content it brings with zero setup. We're talking thousands of free movies, complete TV shows, and even live TV channels you can start watching as soon as you install the app. It's like having a bonus streaming service built right into your Fire Stick, and it doesn't cost a thing. And here's what really makes it stand out. Plex doubles as a discovery hub. Instead of bouncing between Netflix, Prime, or Disney Plus trying to figure out what to watch, Plex helps aggregate content across multiple services in one place. And if you do want to go further, with Plex you can also stream your personal media collection, but that does require setting up a Plex media server. Still, even without that, the free movies, shows and live TV make it an easy win. Coming in at number 2 is a classic, VLC Media Player. The Fire Stick's built-in player is fine, but VLC is the real deal. It plays everything, MKV, AVI, MP4, whatever you throw at it. And unlike Plex, you don't need a server to stream your own files. As long as you've got network access, VLC can pull videos directly from a PC, NAS, or even your phone. You also get pro-level controls like subtitle sync, audio track switching, and video tweaks. It's completely free, no ads, and works flawlessly. If you've got your own media, this is the must-have app. Plus, it gives you full control. You can adjust subtitles, swap audio tracks, tweak video quality, it handles it all. So a quick question for you before we get to number 1. What's the Fire Stick app you personally can't live without? Is it one of these I've already mentioned or something else? Drop your app in the comments. I love seeing what apps people actually rely on. And finally, my number 1 essential Fire Stick app for September 2025 is NordVPN. Now, privacy is more important than ever, and on a streaming device, a VPN isn't optional, it's essential. With the NordVPN Fire TV app, one click hides your IP address, encrypts your data, and protects your streaming from your ISP or anyone else. And here's why this matters right now. The UK recently updated its Online Safety Act. Now that means more monitoring, more restrictions, and less control over what you can watch. A VPN gives you that control back. It helps keep your activity private and lets you decide what you can access, not your ISP or government filters. But here's where NordVPN really shines, geo-unblocking. If you want to watch UK-only shows while travelling or access US Netflix library from abroad, it's easy with NordVPN. Just change your virtual location and you're in. It's fast, simple, and unlocks content from all over the world. Hands down, the most important app you can install. So there you have it, my top 3 essential Fire Stick apps for September 2025. Plex for free content and discovery, VLC for powerful playback, and NordVPN for privacy and total streaming freedom. So let me know what you think of my picks. Did I miss your favourite app? If I did, drop it in the comments, I'd love to know. And if you want more help with your setup or access to extra tips I don't post publicly, check out my channel memberships. Members get access to a private chat group where I answer questions personally and share exclusive content. Just hit the join button below to see what's included. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Firestick tips, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Don't forget to also give us a quick follow over on X and check out my other YouTube channel, unboxd.tech, for more tips, tricks, and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.